how did we get here? Your girl's not supposed to be here, okay? An ad combined with a very much reduced price. And here we are. Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I am back with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Alright y'all, so I am back with another unboxing video. Listen, how did we get here? Your girl's not supposed to be here, okay? I told myself I was not going to get this bag, y'all, okay? At full price. However, an ad combined with a very much reduced price. And here we are. So I'm going to make this unboxing video really quickly. I'm going to be moving briskly. This is not a sit down and talk with me. This is pretty much a walk with me, talk with me type video today, y'all. So here we have our box. As you can see, it was a Dillard's find. I missed it. I feel like I would have got it for even more of a reduced price if I had bought it from Macy's the first time I saw it on Macy's website, but I was still very much, I don't want this bag. But like I said, I saw an ad, I took a second look, and here we are. So this unboxing, you will get my original reaction. As you can hear, I am literally opening the box as we speak. So you guys will get my initial reaction, and yeah. What I see now will determine whether or not I keep this bag. Oh, it's so little. It's like a little baby in the box. Here she is in her packaging. All right, so doesn't appear to be very much packaging to unwrap. Again, as always, this is how I know this bag is brand new from factory, because of the way it is wrapped. If you have not checked out my Pillow Tabby 26 unboxing, you will hear my perspective on that. Definitely recommend you check that out. So we are going to unwrap her in a most neat fashion as possible, because like I said, oh, she's so little and pretty. She's so little and pretty, y'all. So as you can see, we have our Coach Pillow Madison, the 18 size, y'all, in the color Petunia. Y'all, this color is really pretty, but I have to do a comparison to another bag that I've unboxed on this channel to see how similar they are in color. Yeah, so again, this is the quilted Pillow Madison shoulder bag in the size 18 in the color Petunia. There you have her. She's so pretty and so soft. This Napa leather, y'all, has reeled me in. Love at first sight, y'all. So we have our baby. I'm still very much in love with the mama size. I still have my eyes on the mama size. So yes, so you may see a future unboxing from me. Time will tell, y'all. Time will tell. So let me do a little bit more unwrapping, and then I'll come back and show you guys the bag unwrapped. Unwrapped. All right, I said I would completely unwrap it, but y'all look at this. Look at the way they've wrapped this chain, this bag, this chain bag strap, y'all. The protection, the quality, y'all. Even the pillowy hang tag is wrapped, y'all. I just had to chef's kiss, y'all. Chef's kiss. All right, let me finish unwrapping. Stay tuned. So here we have her, y'all. She's just so little and cute and pretty and pink, y'all. Sometimes you just have to take another look. You just have to take a second look. when it's on sale, of course. Completely reduced price, of course, when you take that second look. But take the second look, y'all. So she's so little and pretty. She has the quilted design, the puffy C with the turn lock. We have this back slip pocket here. And let's see, it's suede, y'all. It's suede interior, Petunia pink suede interior. We have our little puffy Coach hang tag here. Of course, we have our Coach engraved on all of the hardware. I have tucked the chain underneath so it wouldn't get in the way as much. Here we have the inside. It's like smooth leather. So we're going to take out our chain strap here. And on the inside, again, it's lined with more Petunia pink suede. We have a zippered compartment here. We have our Coach story tag on this side. And on this side, we have 1, 2, I would say 2 in the possible, maybe 3, depending on what you want to put in here. Card slots. Y'all, but she's so cute. I can't wait to get my hands on the mama bag version of this bag. Let's see. On the inside of the slip pocket, it's lined with microfiber. That's not lined with suede, it's lined with microfiber. We have our Coach care card here. Any security tags? Nope, that let me know it was a boutique find. Let's see here. Now, my only thing, and it appears to be consistent with Coach, is I really wish they would have kept, you know, it's the lack of continuity for me when it comes to the interior leather color choices. So I don't know if they do this, you know, to set apart the boutique bags from the Coach outlet bags, but like, why not just keep the zippers and the story tag and the interior slip pockets Petunia pink? Why not just keep them pink? Why go this saddle color? But y'all, again, here we have her. I'm going to tuck this strap again. Oh boy. Another look at this cutie patootie. Y'all, totes adorbs. All right, so we're going to play around, see what fits inside her. I'm going to give you guys some mod shots, and I'm looking at the bag that I'm in question now. As far as similarity in color, they are not similar at all. This is Petunia pink, the other one is rouge, like a berry rouge color. So it's a go. She's a keeper. All right, so let's play around and see what fits inside of her. I actually carried this number here today, so I'm going to pull that down so we can see what fits inside our Pillow Madison 18. Stay tuned. All right, so this bag literally held the essentials. So here we have her. I'm going to try to do it with her in my hand. Take out the strap. All right, so as you can see, we have this big open space here, and we also have this slip pocket. Will a card case fit? Now this card case is stuffed to capacity. This is my Coach skinny mini ID case. It does not fit in the slip pocket as is, but she fits inside of the larger compartment. We also have my Coach key holder here. She fits inside the larger compartment. Let me try to turn her to the side. All right, so in between that, we have space for some gum. Put that in the back. We have a lip gloss here. Let's see, we have hand sanitizer. Now this is the larger size bottle that I carry. So I feel like this will not fit. on the inside. It does not. I'm going to take that out, replace that with the AirPods and my compact. And so she closes perfectly. You definitely feel the weight of there being items on the inside, but she closes perfectly. The only thing that's not in here now is my phone and possibly hand cream. Yeah, but I would try to play Tetris with like the card case and the key holder to kind of see if you know, hand cream and possibly, if not the hand sanitizer bottle, possibly like some hand sanitizer wipes could fit inside here. But for the most part, y'all, she's just so little and cute and adorable, and pink, my favorite color ever. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys some mod shots of what this little Pillow Madison 18 looks like on me. I am 5'7", I am plus size, so if you are interested in mod shots, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here we have our little Pillow Madison 18. She can be worn as a handbag / shoulder bag. Let's see what she looks like on my shoulder. So here you have her as a shoulder bag with a plus size arm. All right, now, so let's see here. She can be worn as a shoulder bag this way, and she stops right at the bottom of my hip as a shoulder bag. Now, the moment of truth. How does she work as a crossbody? Let's see. All right, so here we have it. You can see where she stops, y'all, as a crossbody bag. She is very high up for no reason. And she's not the type of bag that you can like play around with chains and things like that. She is who she is. When you unwrap her, she's going to be what she's going to be when you first get her. So there you have her. As you can see how high up she stops. But you know what? Sometimes that's not a bad thing. Y'all listen. She's so small. It's not like she's like a huge, like I can see if the mama bag, the larger version, stopped up here, that would be a problem. But because she's so little and compact, I don't feel like she'll get in the way of me trying to be, you know, out and about, trying to be hands-free, being so high up. I need to test and see if she'll fit with a coat. That's another thing, because we are in the fall winter months. Even though this color leans more towards spring and summer, guess who's still going to make her work for the fall winter? Okay, so all right, y'all, there you have it as a crossbody bag. Again, here she is as a handbag. Now she could be carried like this. Now, one of my favorite bag loving girls, I consider her the original Coach girl. She was rocking Coach heavily, y'all, before Coach, you know, became a thing again. She was still, listen, her, I just love her taste. It's just so impeccable. But I consider her my original Coach girl, and that's Amy Elizabeth. She did an unboxing of the mama bag, y'all, and she talked about how she found some clips to go on the inside of the bag, so that, let's see here, let me see if I can do it without the clips so you guys can get the idea. But yeah, so she put clips in so that you can carry the bag like this on your arm, in the crook of your arm, as opposed to the long way. So that'll probably be the only accessory I buy for this bag. So that concludes today's unboxing video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you add this little number to your bag collection? If you already have this bag, let me know your experience and tell me what color you purchased. Are you feeling the mama bag, the larger Pillow Madison bag? If you own it, tell me what color and tell me your experience in the comments below. Y'all, again, thank you, thank you, thank you. We have surpassed 500 subbies and we are slowly chugging our way to 1K. Again, I definitely recommend that you subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. The girl is gearing up for a giveaway, y'all. 'Tis the season to say thank you. Okay, so definitely recommend you stay tuned. You never know when the giveaway announcement is going to drop. I don't want you to miss it out. I want you to click that notification bell so it comes up in your recommendeds and you're not left out, y'all, because what I'm thinking of doing, y'all, that's all I'm gonna say. So yes, and so if you know another bag loving girl who would enjoy this video or enjoy the content on my channel overall, don't be stingy, don't be a gatekeeper. Make sure you share this video with her as well. Make sure she clicks that like button, clicks the subscribe button, clicks the notification bell, so she too can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on this channel. Again, thank you so much for the subs, the views, the engagement. Greatly appreciated, you guys, greatly appreciated. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and you have a great day.